Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, so in this video, I would like to explain some new project from Embedded System, which is a smart home,
Smart house.
smart house. So, uh, before we go to the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alfati Jaden Nandana. Usually people call me Jaden. And I have a group that with Ryan Adam Alfati. So he will explain for the code and I will explain for the mechanics. So in here we got some field with the thing.
Switch.
Yes, this is for switch for the lamp. As you can see, we got a one lamp and one fan. So in this project, I'll explain that we got a two mechanics. The first is manual and the second is automatic. And then we have a website to monitoring when is automatic the turning the fan and the lamp. But you gotta note that fan is only with the automatic, not cannot be on the way of the manual. So yeah, just go to the topic. So first, there is one series and then single switch. The single switch is for the manual turning the on off the lamp. That's right. So when I click go to the down side of the series, it will be manual. When you click the single switch, turning off and turning on, same. And then when I going to the upside, it will be it will be monitoring from the website. You can see there are a digital switch which is for the turning on the lamp and also the analog dimmers. Dimmers is for the speeds of the fan. As you can see, there's a small things. This is the name is dimmers for controlling the speed of the fan. As you can see, we got a one fan here, small fan, is enough. And then beside near of the dimmers, we got a relay. Switches relay is for the controlling the lamp from the website. Come on, we can try. The first, you need to connect it first to the microbit with your laptop and from a website that you made. Yeah, you can connect it and then you can try in the digital switch this lamp off on. So now it's off. We can click just one click and then the lamps it will be turning on. Okay. And when we click again, boom, it will be turning off. Now I would like to use the dimmers, the speed of the fan. As you can see, when I turning to the max dot, it will
Click. In.
yeah.
Nah.
There. When I click to the maximum dot, it will turning. As you can see, yeah, it will be a little bit spinning when it's turned on, like usual, like fan. Yeah, this as you can see, this is full maximum of the percent and of the dot. So when you want to turn off again, just click this one, and then the fan it will be turning off and stopping moving. Yeah. So and also there's the microbit. Yeah, you can use microbit one, the one microbit and micro cable, and also the center one, yeah, the center of the microbit. And then this is not functional. This is for yeah like usual. So stop contact, and that's all for the mechanic. So now, thank you for all your attention. So we will go to the Ryan session for explaining the code.
Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I would like to explain code that already Jaden shown before. The electronic smart house that Jaden shown before. Now I would like to review the code one by one from up until down. So in the first line of code there is def on Bluetooth connect. So if on Bluetooth connect basic show icon name happy. So when the Bluetooth connect to the device, will show an icon, happy icon, and this the closing of the program. If there is the opening, there is the closing. Def on Bluetooth disconnect, it will show icon no or X. Yeah, it means it doesn't connect. And also there is the closing of the code here. And now going to the next line of code, def on UART data receive. It def on UART data receive. This function is will call every there is data shown to the via to the website via Bluetooth UART. Use the global variable name or number. Name is the type of command, and number is the number that will send. So here is a global nama and angka. I will show. The format is name, nama, and angka. For the example, we have kipas and lampu. So yeah, I will explain for the lampu and kipas. So there is pins, digital right pin, digital pin 1, or angka, yeah, because the angka is lampu. If nama sama dengan lampu, so the number will send to the pin 1 digital with digital. Usually if we are using digital, we use the 0 and 1. 0 is 0 for the turn off and 1 is turn on. If nama sama dengan kipas, the number angka will send to the pin 3 with analog and using speed control easily, but I'm not using speed control. So if zero until 512, it's turn off, and 513 until 1024 is turn on. And Bluetooth on the data receive. Here is the limiters. This function is will running every data enter with a new line or /n. Here is angka with 0. In the first number, nama is 0 point, and also angka is 0 also. And start the UART Bluetooth. Here is the start UART service, and basic show icon name square. Here is the square icon. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake in this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.